Hi dear viewers, welcome to Infinity Ahzee channel.
Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students.
ওয়েস্টার্ন টিউটোরিয়ালের পক্ষ থেকে আপনাদের সবাইকে জানাচ্ছি প্রীতি ও শুভেচ্ছা।
It's time to move up. Get smart. Learn English. Get a lifestyle.
Hello friend, good morning, nice to meet you.
Hello. Good morning. Nice to meet you too.
How are you today?
Today I am fine. Thanks. And you?
I'm also fine, thank you.
You are welcome.
Thank you so much for joining us. Hope to see you next. Please take it easy. Have a good time. Good luck. Bye.